Well, you know, I ran for probate court judge. And my daughter's mother, Susan Hubbard, Judge Hubbard, is in a big fight with all the probate court judges.
Hi, Mr. Paul. Did you need to speak to the airport prosecutor?
No, I've already spoken to him. I'm good on both cases.
Oh, Patel and Crone?
Yeah, so we have pleas on both.
All right, so we're just waiting for your clients to jump in.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Jake's brother.
Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
Heather,
Yes.
a little bit of clarification.
When I sent the docket last week, I said this is a Zoom docket.
So you anticipated my question?
I did.
We all
Because
did.
we already discussed it.
We all talked about it.
Who talked about it?
The prosecutors.
Well, no, nobody talks to me. I also have Mr. Mercier. Mercier?
Yes.
I also have
This
Mr.
one right
Mercier here, who thought it was
Hello.
a live docket.
That's
unlike-
the MIDC scheduling problem, because when I send them things, I specifically say it is on Zoom.
Mr. Mercier.
It's live on Zoom, Jeff.
One of the new kids.
Yeah,
Do you have a
So,
laptop, Mr. Mercer? Is it Mercer or
I can do it. I can do Zooms from my cell phone.
You can move people around because you're going to be co-host. You have to
No,
move
I can't.
people.
I didn't bring my laptop. I was not aware it was a Zoom and did it, or I could, so I really can't co-host this.
Can't they
Well, then
log in? On like I think there's one in my office. Is there
Yeah,
one?
just go up and talk to the court officer and he can get you a laptop.
Now, Heather, there's
Yes.
also an afternoon docket.
There is in Leslie, Leslie's on the afternoon and that's live.
Oh, so I'm just on the, oh.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm not expected on an afternoon docket. Rachel asked me to ask about that too.
Nope, just Leslie's on the afternoon.
Now, if we're not going live for the next 30 minutes on Zoom, I could swing back to my office and run everything from there.
We are already on Zoom. We've been running for about 20 minutes now. So just
Okay.
ask the court officers for a laptop.
Will do, and then I'll
Thank
log
you.
right in.
Thank you,
Oh,
ma'am.
I need the Zoom number. Will you have the Zoom number to log
Here,
in?
right here.
Oh, good, I got that.
499756074.
Will do.
And Heather will be around, don't worry.
Okay, cool. Do you want me to log in right now from my phone and not slow the docket up? and
No,
get-
if you can please go talk to the court officer, get
Go ahead.
a laptop.
Roger.
Thank you.
Heather, I also have live bodies here.
For our docket, Jeff?
I think so. I got live bodies out there. Who else?
There's we have a sentencing docket out of Judge Martin's today. So that's probably what they are.
They may be Judge Martin.
Yes.
Thanks, Heather.
Killingsworth, can you please turn on your camera? We are not seeing you. There you go. Sorry. Thank you. Mr. Jordan, do you need to speak to who are you here on? I don't
I'm
show
sorry?
anybody. Oh. Oh, Mr. Zelnick's your attorney. Okay, let me throw you in the
Yes,
waiting
ma'am.
room. And Jeff, we have a couple already for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no, we don't. Yes, we do. We have one for you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. It's Winfield.
Mr. Mena, let Judge know which ones you're ready on, please.
Sorry about that. Mr. Arnoldson, Mr. Killingsworth.
Okay,
And
let's do them one at a time.
Arnoldsworth or Arnold
Yeah, I got
Newson?
it.
Thank you.
I got it. Nicholas Arnoldson,
Yes, sir.
Did I say it right? How do you pronounce
You
it?
did, yeah, Arneldison. Yep, there's
All
a
right.
couple different ways, but that's good. Thank
And are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right, you met with Mr. Mena. Mr. Mena, what do we have?
He is, Mr. Arnoldson. I did have an opportunity to speak with him, Judge. He's going to plead guilty to disorderly. Will dismiss the fail to obey a police officer.
All right, that's straightforward enough. Sir, do you understand your rights and options?
I do, yes, sir.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of disorderly person?
I do.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the disorderly person charge today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, were you at Detroit Metro on May 7, 2026?
Yes, sir.
All right, tell me what happened to make you think you're a guilty disorderly person.
I thought it would be a good idea to have extra drinks prior to my what I considered a longer flight to Germany. Turned out I had too much vodka in the morning, and it something I shouldn't have done, and it helped me make bad decisions that I very much regret.
So where did this take place? Were you at one of the establishments inside the airport?
I was in the Delta Lounge, yes, sir.
Okay, so things get a little unruly, a little loud, so that other people that weren't involved in the situation would have been drawn to what was going on?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mena, you satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss your companion case.
Thank you, sir.
Any sentencing recommendation from the people?
Fines are cost fine by us, Judge.
All right. And I see Mr. Arnoldson is out of state. All right, sir, fines it cost $500. Can you pay that today?
I can, yes.
All right, just go to our website and we'll take care of that.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
You too, thank you.
What else we got?
Mr. Killingsworth, Your Honor, and then Mr. Paul's two clients, Crone and Patel.
They're not on yet.
Oh, never mind.
Mr. Killingsworth, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes, I am.
Let me get your file out. Jim, why don't you tell me what we're doing while I'm looking for the file?
Yes, Judge, he's going to plead responsible double parking, $400 fine. It was just a firearm left in a rental vehicle.
All right, so original charge will be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Killingsworth, is that the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
I will accept your responsible plea to the double parking and dismiss the misdemeanor. What was the agreed upon fine amount?
$400, Your Honor.
And it looks like you posted a cash bond with us, Mr. Killingsworth. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, you're actually going to get a little money back.
I appreciate it.
Any questions, sir?
None at all.
You're all set. Have a great
All
day.
right. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Those are the only two I have right now, Judge. Mr. Paul has the other two when they come in. We have those police figured out, and so I'm gonna go talk to a couple other attorneys.
All right,
I did
thank you.
see Mr. Patel log in and he dropped out.
Because he has to be checked in by a clerk first.
Got you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Paul, give me those names. I'll get the files up.
Last name is Patel and last name is Crone, C-R-O-N. Both would be please.
Crone and Patel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Miss Sedrina, do you need to speak to your client? Or are you ready to go?
I just have a brief breakout room with Mr. Makaborski, please.
Sure. Yep. Let me throw you in. Good morning, Tim. I made you co-host in case you need to jump around.
Awesome. I'm just here on one case.
Yep, Mr. Christopher Kniper.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Mercier, if you have any questions, just let me know.
I was gonna ask, is there any way I can jump in the room with the prosecutor real quick?
Yep, just go in there.
If you go in there, when I see that you're in there, I will come in and talk to you.
Yep. So you just jump around and they'll jump in with you whenever they're ready for you, okay?
Excuse me, Heather.
Yep.
On Makaborski, we're just asking for a new pretrial date. Does the court require that to go on record?
Let me just check to see what type of charge it is. That type of charge, nope, we do not. Is he out of the breakout room? Yeah.
Yes.
So, we have either August 24th or September 28th.
Mr. Makaborski, does September 28th work for you?
Yes.
We'll take the September date.
All right. I have September 28th at 8:30 in the morning. It'll be by Zoom again. Same judge. So
Oh.
I'll send out notice, okay?
All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. You're all set, Mr. Makaborski.
All right.
It's
Thank
a lot
you.
to say. Thank you.
You did fine. Thank you.
Thanks.
You, Heather. Take care.
You too. Mr. Patel, did you check in?
Yes, I did, and it transferred me. I'm also having internet issues, so I'm dialing in from my phone if that's okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm just double checking that. Yep, she confirmed everything. All right, so Judge, we are ready on Patel. J.
Counsel.
Patel, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jonathan Paul from Mr. Patel. Good to see Your Honor this morning and staff.
Good morning. What do we got?
Your Honor, I've talked to the airport prosecutors. My understanding that the original charge of retail fraud will be dismissed for the amended charge of disorderly person with an agreement of 771.1. We discussed the 90-day delayed. Ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Patel, have you discussed your rights with your attorney?
I have, Your Honor.
You understand the rights you have and the options those rights give you today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of disorderly person?
I do, Your Honor.
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, would you voir dire give me the facts that support the plea from April 13, 26?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Patel, reflecting back on April 13th of 2026, were you at the Detroit Metro Airport?
Yes.
And on that day, did you act in a disorderly manner in one of the retail stores?
I did.
Did the incident have to be reported to law enforcement to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
You satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. Was it 3 months agreed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that was under 771.1?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what else should I know about Mr. Patel before I sentence?
Mr. Patel lives out of state on this particular day. He had made some choices, maybe to drink a little too much at the airports. Made a poor choice. Been learning from it, talking to him. Good career, good family. Just an isolated poor choice. We asked the court to adopt the recommendation.
All right, Mr. Patel, what do you do for a living?
I'm a real estate developer.
Okay. All right, anything you want to add to what counsel's told me? Don't feel that you have to. I just want to give you a chance now if you want to.
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'll delay sentence for 9 months, or excuse me, for 90 days, 3 months. During that period, stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs you assess the amount of $500. Can you pay that online today?
I can. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome so much. Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, we cover everything on that one?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Patel, follow up in a bit.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Are you ready on Crone or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
No,
As
you're
long-
not. He's not here yet.
Oh, he's not here yet?
No,
Okay, you're ready. He's not.
correct.
All
It
right.
looks like Mr. Bowditch is ready on Winfrey.
Correct.
All right, let me find the file, Mr. Bowditch. All right, start talking.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Winfrey. Miss Winfrey, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can
Good
you
morning.
tell the judge your name for the record, please, hon?
Anna Winfrey.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement in which Miss Winfrey would be pleading responsible to an added count of double parking, with the understanding the original charge of a checkpoint violation would be dismissed.
Any agreement on fines and cost total?
Yes, Your Honor, $400. My apologies.
No problem. Miss Winfrey, is that the way you want to take care of this today?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea of responsible to the double parking. I'll assess fines and costs as agreed, $400. Can we take care of that online today?
No, Your Honor. I'm unemployed right now and I'm living with my mom.
Okay. Well, you just made an agreement to pay me $400.
Yes,
And now you're
yes,
telling me you
sir.
don't have the ability to pay it?
Your Honor, I believe she just needs time, a payment plan.
What do you have in mind, Miss Winfrey?
We can do that, Your Honor. A payment plan, that would work.
What do you have in mind?
Maybe can we do $20 to $30 a week?
All right, I'm going to leave it to you to go on our website, 34th District Court in Romulus, and start that conversation. We'll get you set up on some kind of payment plan.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need you to have that plan in place within 5 days, or at least start the conversation. Can you do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck.
It's easy to find on the web. It's easy to find on the website. Huh?
Okay.
Mr. Mercier, are you ready or did you need to go back in to speak? Oh, you still need to speak to your client, correct?
Yeah, I need to speak with my client, to speak with the prosecutor.
Alrighty.
Heather, who's his client? I'll pull the file.
His client is Latrell. Miss
L.A.
Winfrey, you're all set. You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Lutt.
you too.
And then Judge, if you want to pull M-U-N-Y-A-K. First name Bora. He's in the breakout room with his attorney.
Good.
Mr. Crone is signing in now. Just wanted to update the court.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Serena,
Yes.
I'm going to ask you to mute yourself and keep your camera off, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I got to figure out how to do this.
I'll do it for you.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, I can't turn your camera off, but I can mute you.
Okay, my camera looks, oh no, my camera's not off. How do
Mr. Paul Crone is on. He's just in the breakout room to check in with the clerk.
Thank you so much.
Judge, the question today is Mr. Zelnick going to appear in person or on Zoom? Because he usually doesn't do Zoom hearings.
I don't care if he's standing in my courtroom.
Right. I'm just wondering where, because his client's already here, so we're just waiting for Mr. Zelnick.
Yeah. Did you say Zelnick's clients are here?
He is. It's James Jordan. He's on Zoom.
Okay. Yeah, I already pulled that file.
Okay. Yep. Mr. Freiberg, did you want to speak to your client?
Yes, thank you, Heather.
Yep. Oh, Mr. Freiberg, did I already send you? I did.
Good morning, Leanne. Looks like she's all by herself today, Heather.
Who is?
Silliest.
Oh, I haven't jumped on. I haven't looked at that yet. I'm like looking for Leanna Belcher. That's who I thought you were talking to. Thank you, Mr. Jordan. All right, we're ready on Crone.
Mr. Paul, what do we got?
Good morning, Your Honor. My understanding that prosecutors offering a 3-month delayed under 771 for the checkpoint violation, Your Honor.
So straight up plea, 3-month delayed sentence.
Yes, Your Honor. And discuss with my client once this is over, he can contact PD and get his firearm back as well.
All right, so you've already had that conversation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sir, is your name Crone or Cron?
It's Cron, sir.
All right. You have you had a chance to discuss your rights with counsel?
I did.
And you understand those rights, sir?
Yes, sir.
Understand the options presented to you because of those rights?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
I do.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Did you come in contact with airport police on June 1, 2026 at a checkpoint?
I did.
At that time, did you have in your possession a firearm that you did not have authority to have there?
I did.
Mr. Paul, you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
So am I. What should I know before I assess terms?
Client has no prior criminal history, Your Honor. Had an oversight with his firearm in his bag. He's already settled up with TSA on a substantial fine, Your Honor. Ready to go forward and earn this delayed and remove this off his record, Judge. Ask the court to adopt the recommendation and go forward, Your Honor, with any fines assessed.
Thank you. Mr. Crone, what did TSA hit you?
How much was the fine?
Oh, 1,500.
Say it again?
$1,500.
Okay, I didn't know they were
$1,500.
still doing that. For a while that people were getting letters for like $5,000-6,000, but I haven't heard about any in probably a year or more.
Yeah, I received a letter for a $3,000 fine, but if you paid it before, you got a 50% reduction.
Right. Yeah, isn't that slick? Okay, anything you want me to know, sir, before I sentence?
Just complete oversight, and I'm actually in the security field, so embarrassment. Let's
Yeah,
start there.
Yeah,
and
the
then,
embarrassment's worse than the
you know,
1,500
with those-
bucks. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, nothing else?
No, sir.
All right, you can stay out of trouble for another 3 months.
Guaranteed.
All right, court costs assessed the amount of $400. Can you take care of that online today?
Yes, sir.
All right, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Paul, we all set?
Yes, Your Honor. Joseph, I'll follow up in a bit, okay? Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, gentlemen.
Judge, next we're ready on Luttrell.
Appearances on the People versus Luttrell.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercier representing Mr. Luttrell. Mr. Luttrell, state your name for the record.
Darren Lee Luttrell.
Good morning, gentlemen. What do we got, counsel?
My client was charged with high blood alcohol level. The prosecutor offered a standard OWI after discussing with my client. We're going to accept the terms.
All right, Mr. Luttrell, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand those rights and the options they present?
Absolutely.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, was this impaired plea or an intox plea?
OWI.
It's in tax, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning, Angela.
Morning, Judge.
All right, Mr. Luttrell, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on 9/9/25 after you drank some alcohol?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you take a breath test or blood test?
Breathalyzer.
Counsel, would you stipulate to the result that was more than 0.08?
Stipulated, Your Honor.
I think that gives me the facts I need. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you agree the facts support the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll dismiss the original charge, accept the added charge. Mr. Luttrell, when you checked in this morning, we confirmed your contact info?
Yes, Your Honor. Currently, address, everything is fine, but I'm currently at the Salvation Army Rehabilitation Center in Detroit.
Good. How long you been there?
Since April 29th, 6-month program.
Perfect. How many days you got now? How many clean days?
April 29th, I'll have 3 months on this Wednesday.
Good for you. Good for you. How long do you anticipate staying there?
I'm supposed to be here until November 1st, but I am a single father. I'm getting my daughter back from Kalamazoo. So I'm trying to play that by ear. I might complete the November 1st, 6 months, and then ask for another additional 6 months, just depending on how I can deal with the 8-year-old with my mother being 63, getting her back and forth to school and stuff like that in Westland. So trying to play that by ear.
Good deal. Sounds like you got a great plan. That makes my tail wag. All right, so my probation department's going to reach out to you and we'll do a screening interview like we're doing this on Zoom.
Okay.
Counsel, I'll leave it to you to talk to probation. I don't like to do Zoom anything, but I certainly don't like to do Zoom sentencings. But if it's either that or pull him out of a good program, then I'll consider it. Does that make sense?
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate that. He is in a good place.
All right, so it looks like he has not yet been placed on bond, so I'm going to do that. Sir, I'm going to put you on a personal bond with a couple of conditions. The first two are pretty obvious. Show up in court when you're supposed to be, whether or not it's live or Zoom, and stay out of trouble. On top of that, no mood altering substance without a doctor's prescription. Can you go along with those rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw up bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can put your hand down. Counsel, we hit everything or we miss anything?
We got it covered, Your Honor.
We're good? All right. You fellas have a great day. Keep up the good work, Mr. Luttrell. Good luck with your daughter.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're
Judge,
welcome.
next is Munyakaz.
You won't even attempt that?
I don't want to attempt it.
I'm going to pronounce it Munyakaz. Where are you, sir? How do you say your name?
Yes, that's me. Munyakazi.
Good morning.
Munyakazi?
John O'Corey
Yes.
on behalf of the defendant, Judge.
All right, counsel, what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I did speak with the prosecuting attorney for the airport matters. At this time, we're pleading no contest to the disorderly person, and we're requesting 77.1 to be attached to this matter, and I believe we agreed to a 90-day deferral, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, sir, do you understand, after speaking to your attorney, you understand your rights and your options?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you understand that when you say no contest, you're saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge.
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest today freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, have you seen the appearance ticket?
I have, Your Honor.
I think the facts listed in the remarks section justify the no contest plea.
I was going to stipulate to those for the no contest plea, Your Honor. We're on the same page.
Yeah, that's a lucky circumstance because that's not normally the case. All right, so I will accept the no contest plea. What should I know before I sentence?
Your Honor, my client's 32 years old. He's a graduate of Cornell University. He has no prior criminal history. He currently works in the tech and AI sector. He's shown plenty of remorse with this matter. It's not his typical behavior. There was no alcohol or drugs involved here. He is bipolar type 1. I believe that contributed to this. I believe he's a good candidate after the 90-day deferral to have this matter dismissed, Your Honor.
Okay. Sir, don't feel that you have to, but I'm going to give you this chance if there's anything you want to add to what your attorney has told me.
So like I do agree with my attorney.
Okay. All right. Stay out of trouble for 3 months. That means no new criminal charges. Court costs assessed in the amount of $300. Can you pay that online today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Knock yourself out. Have a great day, gentlemen.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Next judge is Ricky Suvace, C-U-E.
Morning, Your Honor. Matt Freiberg on behalf of Ricky Quavez.
Quavez, thank you.
Thank you. And I saw Mr. Quavez. There he is. All right, counsel, what do we got today?
Your Honor, I have spoken to the prosecuting attorney, and in this matter, we have agreed to plead no contest with the hopes of attaching 771 to this as well. And I believe under the 6-month statute.
All right, Mr. Quavez, have you discussed your rights and options with counsel?
I have, yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand those rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that if you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge that's against me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see if I get lucky again. No. Nothing on the appearance ticket, counsel. Where do I get the facts I need?
If the prosecuting attorney is not there, there's an incident report that I believe that Mr. Menek has that has everything. We went over it again this morning, and I believe it's all there.
Judge, I can give a brief
Please.
factual basis if the court would
Please.
like.
Go ahead.
May 22nd, 2026, at the Wayne County Airport, at the United Ticket Counter, there was an incident involving the defendant and the staff. Police were called during that time. The defendant did not follow commands and resisted in the public area and was arrested.
Both you attorney types satisfied with those facts?
Still satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
Your Honor, as you can see, my client is ex-military. He won't even sit down without your acknowledgement. And he
Thought he had a bad back like me. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
He's ex-military and he takes it very seriously. And again, will not sit down without your approval, without your saying. He suffers from extreme PTSD. He's also manic, suffers from depression. No drugs or alcohol were complicit on this day. He was just having one of his manic episodes. He does not live in Michigan. He cares for his elderly mother in another state. This is not typical behavior for him. He does receive intense treatment at the VA, although he's trying to get more and more all the time. I've talked to my client all the time. He's extremely remorseful for this action. and wants to put this behind him. And again, is getting lots of help he wants to get more help at the VA, and he's looking into that.
Good. Mr. Cuevas, how many years, which branch?
20 years, 10 months, United States Navy. I served well, and I've never had any criminal history. I don't recall any of the events that took place. I have manic episodes sometimes, so I don't really know what happened. I just know that I was triggered into some type of episode that involved touching people, and I don't know what's going on during those times.
Gotcha. Well, thank you for your service. I'm going to give you my VA discount today. Stay out of trouble for 6 months, no money. Can you stay out of trouble for 6 more months?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Once again, thanks for your service. Have a great day. Thank you, counsel.
Thanks, Judge.
Now you can sit down, Mr. Cuevas.
Yeah, Ricky, you're done.
Do I still?
No, you're done. You're done.
You're all set.
All right.
Just stay out of trouble.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Am I done?
I think that's mom, Judge.
All right. You're welcome, ma'am.
Ms. Heather, am I
Thank
done?
you.
Judge, Jim, are you there? Where are you at?
I
If
am,
we
I'm
want to
here.
just call Mullen, Mullen, and then
Got him.
after that, it's Jordan.
All right. Mr. Mullen, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I understand you're going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you talked to Mr. Mena?
I did.
Yeah.
Let's see, Mr. Mena. Mr. Mena,
Judge,
where are you?
Judge,
There you
we're
are.
doing a dismissal on this. He paid the parking fee.
Awesome. All right, Mr. Mullen, I'm assuming you're okay with the dismissal.
I'm absolutely okay with that.
Have a lovely day, sir.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. All right, I'm ready on Jordan.
Morning, Your Honor. Edward Zelenak on behalf of Mr. Jordan. Mr. Jordan, who is zooming in from Atlanta, Georgia, would you turn on your Zoom and give your name to the judge?
James Jordan.
Thank you. Mr. Zelenak, I don't know that I've seen you that small. I don't think I've seen you on a Zoom call
Well,
yet.
Judge, I cut back on my diet for summer. No, I would rather be there in person, but with Mr. Jordan in Georgia, I'll gladly come out there and so you can see I'm still at the same height if you like later today.
Okay. All right. What are we doing for Mr. Jordan?
He's pleading no contest, Your Honor, and the report speaks for itself. And there's not much allocution that's necessary. It would be the offer for Mr. Mena, which he'll place on the record. And I'd ask the court to accept it. Mr. Jordan is 72 years old. He's a certified public accountant in Georgia, and it was a family heirloom gun in a backpack. Somehow he got through TSA in Georgia, not knowing it was there, and going back, they caught it here in Detroit. They've got a good staff at Metro Airport in Detroit. Secondly, Your Honor, he's a CPA for the Episcopalian Church, does volunteer and charity work all across the world, and he's extremely dismayed by what he did that day. So he's ready to plead no contest. Is that right, Mr. Jordan?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And counsel, there's been some conversation about how he can get that weapon back.
Yes, Your Honor, and we're aware of that, and he's got to sit out the waiting period here, the cooling down period, and then we'll make application, and I'll deal with the police department at the airport.
Okay. All right. Mr. Jordan, you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Zelenak?
I do, sir.
And do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Do you understand that when you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge against me?
I do, Your Honor.
Are you pleading no contest today freely and voluntarily?
I am.
All right. And I have looked at the appearance ticket. I think the remarks section of the appearance ticket covers the facts I need. I will accept your plea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got to know though, what was the pistol?
It was a Smith & Wesson airweight hammerless with a crimson trace pistol grip.
Okay, not nearly as interesting as I thought it was going to be when I heard heirloom. Anything else
No.
I should consider before I sentence?
No, but I will add to that, if you watch PBS, anything that's over 20 years is now considered an heirloom, Your Honor. Airweight heirloom.
Well, that's good for both of us, I guess. We're heirlooms.
That's right. Thank you, Your Honor.
A couple times over.
Absolutely.
All right.
Nothing to add,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
Mr. Jordan, was this 6 months, Mr. Zelenak?
3
What was
months.
the agreement?
Mr. Mena said 3 months, Your Honor.
3 months. All right, Mr. Jordan, can you stay out of trouble for 3 more months?
Absolutely.
All right. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you take care of that today online?
I can, sir.
All right, you have a great day, sir. Mr. Zelnick, always a pleasure, even if you're tiny.
Judge, hope to see you later. Thank you.
All right.
Take
What
care.
else we got?
We are ready. Mr. Bowditch, has Mr. Perini and Mr. Mercure. If you can go into, I don't know if you've seen, but there's somebody, for MIDC.
Mr. Bowditch, I have Mr. Perini's file, so start talking.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Perini. Mr. Perini, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Could you tell the judge your name for the record, please, sir?
Sure, James Michael Perini.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. Waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Perini would plead responsible to a double parking citation with an agreed assessed upon fine of $400, with the understanding that the checkpoint violation, a little bitty knife, would be dismissed. Mr. Perini understands that he will not get his little bitty knife back.
All right, Mr. Perini, you understand your rights and options, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for the checkpoint violation?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, and you're pleading responsible to a civil infraction and you've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400, correct?
Yes, that's correct, sir.
All right, can you pay that online today?
Yes, I can.
I'll dismiss the misdemeanor when that payment gets processed. Any questions?
No, thank you, sir.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you, Mr. Perini.
Judge,
Thank you.
next,
You
if
too.
we can call Castellanos, Castellanos. His attorney is here.
Yep.
Mr. Castellanos is undergoing treatment, so they're just asking for an adjournment.
Okay.
We're doing either August 28th and 24th or September 28th. Which is best, Mr. Menarez?
August is fine. In my conversation with the people, it sounds like we'll be resolving and we'd be able to do so today, I think, if I had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Castellanos. So the August date is just fine.
All right, August 24th at 9:50, same Zoom.
I'll be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, Judge.
Tell your guy good luck.
I will. Thank you, Judge. We'll see you soon.
And Judge, can you pull Macibor? Makarborski, Christopher.
Got him.
That's adjourned to September 28th at 8:30.
That's us again?
That's us again, yes.
And that's Zoom docket, I assume.
Yep, it is. Mr. Lewis, we're just waiting for Miss Patillo to jump on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Carol, I'm stepping away real quick if you can just watch the breakout room or the participants, please.
Got it. Thank you.
I'm back. Thank you.
Yes, how we can show me.
Fine. You brought the redhead with you today?
Yeah, she won't come in, or she did come in.
Good morning.
Yeah, I can yell at us for people up to you, sorry.
No, I won't call it today.
That's what I hear. Come, you don't have to work, I ain't got it made. I saw more of your things on this thing. Stickers. Stickers. How do you remember all this? Silly. These teachings, I don't know. People but these idiots. You deal with the I see how you say staying at all. You just stand by this. But you see that people live in the chain pants, slippers, they're sturdy, woolies. But they don't have these in now, this kind of city also has you should all have time. I never saw anybody walking with a bloody dragging up bed as it would be. If they need to be part of my animals, it's not construction. Yeah, look at all those people away when we get running. No. So all flat. That's true. Like these guys have to deal with it. It was our fault. Somebody's going back to that building. Why would we like to get a solid apartment? He shot me. One was like, so yeah, they took it back. People are else. Yeah, so I think he would be going.
And if this thing, I think, I got to go. He said, you're gonna be this patient. 30% of our patients early garbage bill. It was time before we are. About it. They give me grand peppers. Juice. Peanut cups. We use all of them, true. So, smell and money, all of that. You gotta go. Do the steals and I thought this was a no smoking English. She said, big people. I said, well, it's so beautiful. It's all beautiful. And they got I walked in there. I got to like the security. Smell it. Yeah, I sat there and the smell coming. And it seems like there's more now than there has been. The Nazi, especially me, came up 2 years ago, he had it real heavy. So it's messing him up, so we get it out completely. That's right. And that's what I say too, from. One of all, I see you. If you might have. So you, about 6 months ago. These birds. Yeah. So, just go, separation. You know, there's job, but. All of the kids is around. That's the place that you go. And it's just a bunch of dogs. Time me and Jack went to conference. We got the airport 2 hours early. We went to the bar, got drunk. We were the last one to get a Friday work was on the plane. And we had seats. That's the difference. So I cut the fire little get broken. Well, anyhow, we sent to California and flew us back first class, but we service engineering. Yeah, it's fun, it's so good. Yeah, you know, no story of old Jack. We had some very good times. She aged a lot less. But she's like 91, she didn't get 6. It's like a first one, mother day, she felt it.
Heather, I talked to Mr. Hughes. We're ready to have that called when you are.
I'm sorry, you talked to Mr. Hughes and what?
We're ready for the case to be called.
Okay, it'll be just a minute.
Roger that.
If you guys want to go back in and grab another one, Mr. Bowditch and Mr. Mercure, you guys can grab another one and work on them.
Yeah.
She real something. But it's not all, no, she's got like 3 dishes. She can cook, she's got all kinds of stuff. And quarter, yeah, I think about it. 10, 11, 10 to 11. Even 2 miles. Even 11, 12, basically, I'll talk about the machine. I'll go to the sheet one thing. They, I'll see what's in your time. Okay, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever, that's it, one. Oh. You should tell me. If somebody needs to tell my others, she does stuff. Yeah. Didn't mention my decision home. If she will be related, she also speaking. So. There's more things than that. That city of family follows that. Like you have some knowledge, that's not faithful.
the dinner yesterday.
What was
Just up to do today's his birthday, this birthday. Yeah, they recently went to Florida, she was. They won't get hands. Oh, yes. So this is not around straight things up. She will do, because, Sophie got her Renee. She got a cat, Eric's cat, and trips all over, and she got a new dog that she can't keep off the couch, she can't get out the tree. We watched me see her back at the bottom tree in 4 days. So anyway, she had a lasagna dinner yesterday. Big Nick and Angie.
Yes.
Yeah, and they talked to you about some things too. Still, it's good.
He is not, but he knows.
He's a
She knows some stuff.
He's a resident.
Then, school for 40 years. And she knows some stuff.
He's gotta be a resident for 3 years. And then if he decides to specialize.
I won't say anything. Or,
Fellow for 3 more.
yeah.
Who knows? But he was, he told him his job, I can't charge, he would be going to his. Every lunch, so I can't get your chart with family. Yeah, he treated, but he did tell me, check it out. Check it out.
Questions they ask, something, so.
Yeah.
That alone, you think about something different about the board.
Well, yeah.
But everything he's done so far, and the pretty much,
Dr. David, first thing you got the earth and. Season, latest, you want to check, because you got gas and. Yes,
That's
it's
a pretty nice first
so it's not that, because it's not uncommon for most people to have. And,
Yes, there is. Why would sensible effects on infection?
I think the records, I'm not quite sure it's plates, and I'm not sure why you're ready, you know. But plates are more important. The white is acceptable. It's low.
It's low in the white, please.
And you go and keep on points. But I think it's the business. Dish, shipping.
You know about Jan Owen. If she, last year she got all the bricks. So she wants not to do that. So she's not really, she's not seeing, she had already done her dog, she said, she has said, okay, like, got in for research things today. She told me, she says, my energy level is better. All that long, she's married. She don't want to let her sleep. She's married, you got to this diet, sleep this diet, oh, you know. One, I get one shade for person. One shade, that's still, you know, just well, I was like, well, that's not very one shade, whereas it's sleep on. When was the last time you wake in the shade and rest? So you might have a quarter of the shade. You got something you can follow. Sincerity, what do? I said, a couple milk is $8 or $8. I said, use a couple whole milk, put some protein in chocolate. Put in protein powder, make yourself a chocolate shaker. You know, probably 25 weeks. Yeah,
3 meals for the family, you can't. Yeah.
well, she had no effort. Oh, she has problem. She lost cook, right? She just got away. She was great, but 3 bucks later, I don't know. I don't think it old. Yeah, direct, but yeah, that's cheap. Although I remember when we see a lot of we sponsor Jonathan Chu. We get together with Bronx, Steve Bronx, St. Clair, we like to go to town sets, so yeah. We want to watch out, involve in that with intelligence. And I can see it, I think, after we want to he might not eat all we eat there, but I'm gonna be one to see, but for.
Yeah, but you eat, you can eat. You gotta eat all the time. They didn't have a dog bag. It's probably something else.
Mr. Mercer, are you ready on Peterson as well?
Yes, I am.
All right, it'll just be a
Good people.
Are you ready, Tyler?
Sorry, Judge.
Are you ready?
You're good.
Let
And
me
we
know.
have a couple, but whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Do that, we watch the car, we just watch the car. Because he wants to get 100 steps a day off his phone, but yesterday he got 1,600.
It's like the whole courtroom.
I can take shopping. She shop. No, yeah. I do that. Yeah, those stats. Yeah, but certainly the Joe's. Actually, where that house up and down. But very slow, good.
Sharing these videos.
Oh, I'm good.
15 months.
You'll love again to move up. Space. So. I see you. That's what I'm saying. Get someone's. But my kids, that's how I used to. But I isn't eggs, you know, can't. Oh, my shields. Thanks for stopping. Oh, I'm sorry. You came up, you just came up, shut the door on.
No, but it's perception.
All right, there it is.
It's
What do you want to do, Heather?
Yep, we are ready on Mackenzie Rivers.
Rivers?
Rivers.
All right.
And then under that, we're going to do Hughes.
DeQuan?
Next, yep. Next will be Peterson.
Okay.
And then next will be Carella. Carilla.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Thank you.
All right. That one's giving me a problem.
Is that not on the docket?
I'm looking in the box.
Let's see. This is at 9:10.
Charles
Yes.
Oh, Your
Carella?
Honor is 9:10.
Yeah, CAR.
I'm here.
Yep, we know you're here. We're just looking for your file.
Yeah, it's already crossed out, so I'm assuming that means it's been done.
No.
Oh, I got it. I already pulled it. I must have
Okay,
seen
good.
him. I must have seen him when he checked in on Zoom.
Okay, so that one goes underneath.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's we're gonna start with Rivers then.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Bowditch.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Rivers. Miss Rivers, can you hear me, hon?
Yes.
Miss Rivers, can you give your judge your name for the record, please?
Mackenzie Rivers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. We waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. We do have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Ms. Rivers is going to plead guilty to an added count of no operator's license on person, with the understanding the misdemeanor and the civil infraction, the originals, would be dismissed.
Thank you. Miss Rivers, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license on person charge?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
All right. On May 2, 2026, did you get stopped while you were driving a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
At that time, did you have a valid license to show the officer when you got stopped?
Yes.
It was a valid license? Or were you driving outside your restrictions?
I was driving outside my restriction.
Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch?
Your Honor, I'm satisfied.
I will accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss both the originals from May 2, 2026. What should I know about the lady before we sentence?
Well, Your Honor, obviously she's young. This is somewhat of a new license for her. But we've had some discussions. She does need to slow down and pay attention. She understands the value of having a good driver's license.
All right. Are you working, Miss Rivers?
Yes, I am.
Where do you work? How long have you been employed there?
I work at Value Center in Livonia, Michigan, and I've been working there since September of 25.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
I did take a basic improvement course
Good.
on my own. I did complete it. I have yet to receive the certificate for it though, but I did complete it and I passed.
Okay. Good. All right. I'm going to assess fines and costs on this file of $300. Within 5 days, I need you either to come to court or go online and either pay it or get a plan in place to pay it. And that has to be done within 5 days. Clear?
Clear.
Any questions for Mr. Bowditch?
No.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ready on Hughes. Mr. Bowditch, is that yours?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, that'd be myself.
Go ahead.
Very good, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercer representing Mr. Hughes. Mr. Hughes, please state your name for the record.
Dequan Hughes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, at this time, I reviewed a plea offer that was actually emailed over to me from the prosecutor, and they're going to dismiss the insurance, the no insurance, and we would have no objection to that. And my client stands ready to plead to the the license, no registration.
All right. So, Mr. Hughes, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty to the misdemeanor unregistered vehicle?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. June 20, 2026, did you operate a vehicle at Detroit Metro?
Yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered at that time?
Yes, it was. I had just purchased it.
Okay. I'll accept your plea to that charge and dismiss the no insurance. Have you got it registered properly now?
I had just got it. I couldn't even afford to get it out the impound.
All right. So you just let it go?
Yeah, I just let it go.
All right. Are you working?
I couldn't. No, I was about to start working. And I had no transportation, so I just do little side jobs where I can get one of these vehicles going.
Your Honor, if I may, the
Go
prosecutor
ahead.
plea offer had something called a DP 500 next to it. as part of the plea offer.
All right. I'm having trouble hearing you. Try that again.
The prosecutor's plea offer had a DP 500 included in it too. I think that might have been a sentencing fee or a fee agreement.
I have know what a DP 500 is.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I would guess, Judge, that it's double parking for $500, but
Oh,
that's normally how I note them on my sheet. So I think Mr. Mena does something similar on his.
okay. Well, Your Honor, we'd like to amend that to plea to the added count of double parking for $500.
All right. So the plea agreement was both original charges dismissed upon a plea to the responsible.
Yes, Your Honor. Just to the double parking.
Okay.
Responsible
Do me a
to the
favor.
double parking only. I apologize, Your Honor. I didn't know the nomenclature there. And then no insurance would be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Hughes, is that the way you want to resolve this?
Double parking?
Both
Correct,
original
Mr. Hughes.
charges would be dismissed if you plead responsible to double parking and pay $500.
Yes.
And do you have the ability to pay $500?
I just be doing side jobs, so it'll take me some time to pay it.
All right, we'll put you on a payment plan. All right, good luck. All right, I need you to get on our website or come to court personally within 5 days to get some kind of plan on that. You understand that?
Yes.
Any questions?
Do you guys website on my court papers?
Say that again. I didn't understand that.
Is the website on my court papers?
I don't know if our website's listed on your notice or not, but if you internet search 34th District Court in Romulus, our website comes up.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, there's not. I can do that.
All right, good luck.
All right, thank you.
Are we ready on Peterson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Attorney Mercier representing Ms. Peterson. Ms. Peterson, state your name for the record, please. You're muted, Ms. Peterson.
Okay. Lisa Peterson.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you for the opportunity. I did speak with my client and I gave her discussed her constitutional rights as well as the plea offer that it would be a delayed sentence underneath 7071.1, 3 months. After doing so, my client stands ready to make admissions.
Ms. Peterson, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
All right. Was this a guilty plea, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, counsel, what was the violation?
She had a weapon, specifically a small knife at a checkpoint, Your Honor.
All right. That correct, Ms. Peterson?
Yes, it is.
I'll accept the plea. Counsel, what should I know before I sentence?
This seems to be an isolated incident. I don't think you're gonna see this happen again. It seemed like my client just forgot that she had this small knife with her.
All right, Ms. Peterson, anything else you want to add to that? Don't feel that you have to.
Oh, no.
All right. Stay out of trouble for 3 months. I'll delay the sentence. That means no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Go to our website, make arrangements to get that paid. Make the arrangements within the next 5 days. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Charles Corella.
Hello.
Leave.
Who's representing Mr. Corella?
I think that's Mr. Bowich.
Okay, he must be in a breakout room. Hey, Gwen. Thanks. Carol, are you handling the arraignments too?
I am not. I believe that is Whitney. I can look in the box though and see if there's
No,
anything in.
she's in my waiting room, so I'll bring her in.
Oh.
Thanks.
Gotcha.
Mr. Bowditch, what do you got?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Brooks, Willie Brooks.
Let's take care of Corella first. Are you ready on Corella?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
Your
Your Honor,
appearance.
for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Corella. Mr. Corella, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
What are we doing?
Thank you. Your Honor, today's date and time set for Raymond in this matter. Waveform reading, stand mute. Also had a chance. To this case. You got a lot of feedback. We do have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval, in which Mr. Corella would be pleading guilty to the charge of being a disorderly person, with the understanding if he complies by all the court's wishes under statute 771, it'll be considered for dismissal after a period of 90 days.
Thank you. Mr. Corella, do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yep, I do.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Judge.
All right, tell me what happened on June 5th that makes you think you're guilty. Mr. Bowditch, you want a voir dire?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Mr. Corella, were you at Metro Airport flying on the date in question?
Yes, I was.
At that time, sir, did you have a little bit of an anxiety episode on the plane?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Were you loud and disruptive at that time?
Yes.
Could other people hear you being loud and disruptive?
Yes.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Oh my, what should I know before I sentence?
Your Honor, this is a condition. It's a little bit of a claustrophobic decision. He was on a long flight. I believe he was going originally to Arizona. This was a layover, and well, he just, he has told me he previously was on medication. He's conquered most of it, but occasionally he does have these flare-ups, especially on long flights. Your Honor, this is not his nature or anything. He wasn't fighting or dragging people around. He just freaked out.
Okay. Mr. Corella, anything you want to add? Don't feel that you have to.
No.
You working?
I'm self-employed as a content creator.
Okay. Interesting. How long you been doing that?
About a year now.
Good. How's it working out?
Pretty well. It's quite lucrative.
Good for you. All right. Can you stay out of trouble for 3 more months? No criminal offenses.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Stay out of trouble for 3 months. Court costs $300. Can you pay that online today?
I could pay within the next 5 days.
That'll work. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you,
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Corella.
Now I'm ready on Brooks.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Brooks. Mr. Brooks, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
Willie Brooks.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. We're going to waive the form of reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In this agreement, Mr. Brooks would be pleading guilty to a checkpoint violation, a stun gun, which he has no memory of having, with the understanding if he complies with all the court's wishes under statute 771, after 90 days of staying out of trouble, the court will consider the dismissal of this matter.
All right, Mr. Brooks, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
Understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
All right, were you at a checkpoint on June 14, 2026 at Metro Airport?
Yes, sir.
And did you have a prohibited stun gun at the checkpoint?
Yeah, it was in my bag. I don't know how I got there, but it was in my bag.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bowditch, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. What else should I know before I set the terms of cost?
Your Honor, embarrassingly enough, Mr. Brooks has been a lifetime employee of the airlines. And he was recently moving down to Atlanta. He had I think he said 8 check bags or something like that.
Yes, sir.
And in a zipper part, there was a stun gun that,
Okay.
you know
You're with
anything
Delta,
about.
Mr. Brooks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, I've been a flight attendant for over 10 years. I also worked for Zillow. I also checked the firearm in with the airlines that day. There's no way I would have ever carried anything through TSA. My mom's been working for the airline since I was 12. I fly every other week for work. Like, I've never had any issues, nor do I have a criminal background.
All right. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. Stay out of trouble. No new criminal offenses. Court costs or assessed the amount of $300. Can you pay that within the next 5 days?
I'll pay it today.
Thank you. Any questions?
No, sir. Oh,
Thank you.
when I go online to pay, do I just put in the ticket number?
That'll work. Your name
Yes,
and
sir.
your case number, that'll help make sure the money gets to your name.
Yes, sir. I'll take care of it right now.
All right. Attorney
Thank you, sir.
Patel, do you need to speak to Mr. Lewis in a breakout room?
I do, but prior to that, I need to find out which prosecutor is going to be handling this matter.
That would be Mr. Mena.
Okay, he's not on yet, I don't think.
He's on somewhere.
Yeah,
Are you
he's in his
taking that,
breakout room,
Angela?
Dan.
Okay, I can't move around. I'm not a host. Can somebody
Angela,
slide
can you
in?
grab her?
Yep.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Ms. Patillo, you are a co-host.
Mr. Bowditch, you got anything else?
No, Your Honor, I'm checking with somebody right now.
I have one, Judge.
And
Who you got?
if I could go in a breakout room for just a quick minute with my client, Mr. Gentile, then I think we'll
Gotcha.
be ready shortly.
Okay, gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Angela, what do you got?
The last name is Puliy. You got the file, Judge?
There he is. Binu, how do you say the last name?
My last name is called Pulianil George.
Poulianier?
Yeah, Pulianil George.
Gotcha. What are we doing, Ms. Manorino?
Your Honor, we're dismissing the misdemeanor. There was a couple of civil infractions that were attached that defaulted.
Okay, that's easy enough. I'm assuming that's all right with you, sir, if I dismiss it?
Yes.
Okay, so it looks like the civil infraction, Joe, $564. When are you gonna take care of that?
I'll take it off like within the next 1 month, 30 days.
You only just give you a 30-day due date?
Yeah.
That'll work. Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Mr. Kewen, do you need to speak with your client?
We're ready to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Kewen, how do you pronounce the name? Is it Niper?
Judge, I've botched it every time I've said it. I believe it's Sniper.
Christopher, how do you say your name?
Nieper, Your Honor.
Nieper. Thank you.
Yes, Your
Counsel,
Honor.
your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim QNP 64917 on behalf of the defendant. We're both joining you today via Zoom with consent.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, today is the time and date scheduled for pretrial. I've been able to pre-try this matter a few times with Ms. Manorino. We do have a resolution. The defendant would be pleading guilty as charged to 1 count of retail fraud, Your Honor, with the understanding that it be taken pursuant to 771.1, the delayed sentencing provision of the Michigan Code. The defendant has been advised of his rights, in particular his rights to trial. He wishes to avail himself of that plea today. The agreed upon restitution amount would be $237.96.
237.96?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Nieper, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you're pleading guilty, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
What store were you at on July 19th, 2025?
Meyer Road, or Meyer, I forget what road it was off. It was in Van
Belleville
Buren
Road,
Township.
Van Buren Township?
Belleville Road, Van Buren Township. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And did you try to take some merchandise out of the store without paying for that merchandise?
No, Your Honor, I didn't try. I actually took it. And Your Honor, I would like to add, at the time, I had been up for about 15 days, and it was so far out of my character for me to do anything like that. I'd actually
Okay.
been enrolled in the Dallas Theological Seminary.
That's
become
okay,
a
Chris, it's
pastor.
okay. We
Oh,
got, we got
sorry,
you.
Your Honor.
That's all right. All right. So you took some merchandise without paying for it, though.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I can accept the guilty plea. What else should I know, Mr. Keewan?
Thank you, Your Honor. As the defendant was getting to, Judge, this is a couple years ago. At that time, he was addicted to drugs. There's some offenses on his record that are completely out of character that were literally due to him, being high. That said, he's had a complete lifestyle change since this occurred, Your Honor. He's relocated. He's now in Traverse City, Michigan. He's gone through a rehabilitation program. He's currently on probation right now through Washtenaw County. Judge, he's getting tested there. As a condition of that probation, he has to attend AA and NA. So they've got him, Judge. He's going through the ringer right now. With all those things in mind, I'd ask for some minimal oversight in this court and the agreed upon restitution amount be paid.
Okay.
The defendant, I believe the probation will extend all the way into 2027 in Washtenaw County.
Okay. All right. Mr. Nieper, are you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who do you work for and how long have you been employed there?
I work for Verizon Wireless, and
Yep.
I've been there for about 2 months now.
Okay. And you're on track in Washtenaw? No violations?
Yes, Your Honor. No violations, no bad
Good.
tests. Everything's
Good.
going great.
How many days sobriety you got?
I am on August 6th. It'll be 1 year.
Awesome. Good for you. Good for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Just a few days away. All right.
Yep.
All right. Did you do any jail time on this?
I did not, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation, Mr. Nieper. Stay out of trouble. I'm going to order that you pay $400 fines and costs and do 30 hours charity work. I want the charity work completed and documented to the court between now and October 1. So any charity that's registered as such with the IRS. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor. Would Salvation Army
Perfect.
bell ringing, would that work?
Perfect. Yep.
Okay. Would I be able to do that come November? I think that's when they start.
Not and do it by October 1, and that's your deadline.
Oh, by
So
October
anything
1.
you do with Salvation Army is going to satisfy me.
Okay, Your Honor.
Any charity you find, if you want us to pre-approve it before you spend 30 hours with them, then you'll just have to send that information through our probation department and we'll approve it or disapprove it before
And
you
it's
spend
okay
time
that I
with them.
do that up here in Grand Traverse County?
Absolutely, yeah, yeah.
Okay, one barrier that I may have is I don't currently have a license. However, I will figure that out. I'm here to take responsibility, Your Honor, and if that's what you want me to do, I'll make that happen.
Awesome. All right, so as far as the $400, I'm giving you 5 days to put a plan together.
Thank you,
You
Your
can
Honor.
do that through our website as well. Good luck with your sobriety, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck, Chris.
Thank you, Mr. Kewen.
Ms. Patil, are you ready on Lewis?
No, Your Honor, I just need to talk to him real quick.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
And you're a co-host, so you should be able to move him around, put him in a breakout.
Your Honor, I'm
Mr.
ready to have
Mercier,
Caden.
Mr. Strictly, either one of you guys got something ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
I'm
With
ready to
Mr.
have Corey Caden called, Your Honor.
All right, hold on a minute. Stickley, what do you got?
We have a plea worked out for Mr. Gentile.
Okay, I don't see him.
Let me go grab him.
Spell his name, counsel, so I can find the file.
Gentile.
Just how it sounds.
Yep.
All right, got the file. Mr. Mercier, give me a name. I'll grab a file.
Corey Caden, Kaden.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Gentile.
Good morning, Your Honor. Keith Stickley, P80716, attorney for Ralph Gentile, who is present via Zoom.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Gentile. What are we doing?
Good morning.
Your Honor, we after speaking with the prosecutor, he is offering a plead as charged with a 3-month delayed sentence, and we are going to take advantage of that offer today.
Thank you. Mr. Gentile, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
I did.
Did you understand all those rights and the wonderful options you have because of them?
Oh, yes, and I'm thankful.
And did you also discuss the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Were you at the airport on June 17, 26?
Yes.
Were you at a checkpoint?
Yes.
While at the checkpoint, did you have something in your possession you should not have had there?
Yes.
What was that something?
That was my concealed carry pistol.
All right, Mr. Stickley, you satisfied that the facts have been met?
I am satisfied, Your Honor, yes.
Have you fellows discussed with Mr. Mena how to get the pistol back?
Mr. Mena advised me to, yes, on how to contact, and I'll be back in touch with him as well.
Okay, awesome. All right, I've accepted the plea. What else should I know about Mr. Gentile before I sentence?
Your Honor, he has absolutely no CCH that I'm aware of. He's a working professional. He's a great grandfather. He made he made a mistake. He's extremely embarrassed about it. It's not going to happen again. He's taking a civil responsibility on the TSA end of things, and so we would ask for fines and costs. He has no problem there.
Sure, Mr. Gentile, what did THC charge you?
Oh, we just got the letter, Your Honor. It's the $4,500. And they give you a pre-settlement if you pay within a certain.
Have you figured out, counsel, why that's such a floating rate? I had a guy on earlier today. His letter was 3,000. I've heard 5,000, 6,000.
Your Honor, I have not.
I did talk to them about that.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jim.
Prior to, and a lot of it has to do with the nature of the offense, who's reviewing it, and if they've had any prior contact. So they go up, and up to the maximum of 13,500.
But 50% off if you pay it quick.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. What else should I consider about Mr. Gentile's situation?
Nothing, Your Honor. You're not going to see him in this court again, I promise.
Okay. All right, Mr. Gentile, if there's anything you want to add, go ahead. If not, that's fine too.
No, I've learned a lesson. I know I have to be very busy at work. And I know I have to slow down a little bit. I forgot while packing and ran to the airport. And
yeah, I think the average citizen would be shocked if they knew how many times that happens every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. Stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges. Court costs assessed the amount of $500. Can you pay that online today, sir?
I can.
All right. Good luck. Thank you, counsel.
I'll call you in a little bit, Mr. Gentile. Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Mercer, I'm ready on Caden, Corey Caden.
On our Zoom, trying to move him in here. I moved him into the clerk's meeting room.
All right, I
He's
can't
here.
hear you. I don't know what's
He's
going on
here.
with your audio.
Okay, good. We're ready then. Attorney Daniel Mercer representing Corey Caden. Corey, please take the name for the record.
Hi, I'm Corey Caden.
Yeah, and I had an opportunity to discuss this charge with my client, and he is ready to make the plea. No contest. There is no plea up. It's a plea of guilty to the disorderly person at the airport.
All right, so he's pleading no contest to disorderly person?
Correct, Your Honor. He has to use the police report for factual basis.
All right, your audio sucks, counsel.
Yeah, I'm using the court's computer actually here, Your Honor.
Yeah, well, now you know. Buy a better computer and bring it yourself. Mr. Caden, did you discuss your rights and options?
Yes, I did.
You understand all that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Not quite.
Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fine plus court costs.
Okay.
All right. You understand if you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge.
I understand.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading no contest?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am.
All right. Counsel, I think that the remarks section on the appearance ticket gives me a factual basis. Have you seen the appearance ticket?
I did, I discussed with Mr. Mena.
You agree?
Agree, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea. Was this a straight up sentence or was there a discussion about a delayed sentence?
I did not
Straight
have
up plea, Your Honor.
Okay. What should I know before I sentence Mr. Caden?
Your Honor, I believe that this was a situation where he drank a little too much at the airport. As he stated to me, the drinks were a little stronger than he expected, and it put him in a state that he's not normally in. So I think.
All right. Mr. Caden, don't feel that you have to, but this is your opportunity if you want to add anything.
Yeah, I deeply regret the situation that happened that day. It was embarrassing for me and for my girlfriend and her mother. And I just want to be able to continue to travel and not have these problems.
The girlfriend's mother was with you?
Yes.
Wow. That just saved you $100. All right. Anything else?
That's all.
All right. I'm just doing fines and costs, $400. Pay that online within 5 days or put a plan in place to get it paid within 5 days. Understood?
Understood. Could I, where do I go to do that? I'm in Seattle. I'm not familiar with this.
Internet search 34th District Court in Romulus, Michigan. Our
right.
website's pretty easy to navigate for payments.
All right. Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Mercier, you have another one?
I don't have another one ready right now, Your Honor.
Mr. Bowditch, how about you? Ms. Patillo, you ready on Lewis?
I am, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
So, Your Honor, I'm not sure. Attorney Patillo, Dion Patillo on behalf of Mr. Seal Lewis. Mr. Lewis, can you state your name for the court?
Still Renard Francis Lewis.
So, Your Honor, Mr. Lewis wants to set this matter for a jury trial, but I don't have any availability for a trial until October. So I don't know if that's too late for the court, if he could be assigned another attorney.
Carol, do you even have any dates? Did Heather leave you any dates?
No, the only dates she gave me were the adjourned Zoom dates.
Pre-trials. Jim, do you have any jury trials coming up with us?
I do not, Judge. So I couldn't even venture a guess.
It's not going to be much before September, is it?
Oh, no.
All right, so let's do this. Heather's not in this morning. I'll have Heather reach out to both attorneys and we'll set the jury trial around schedules.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Lewis, you got that?
So when do I reappear in court?
I don't know yet. I just said the date would be determined. I'm going to have my scheduling clerk is going to talk to Mr. Mena and Ms. Patillo and find out when all three of us are available.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm assuming you know how to get a hold of counsel and she knows how to get a hold of you.
I didn't get Ms. Patel's number.
Go back in the breakout room to do that, counsel. I've got stuff on the record.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right. Is it Mr. Dukai?
Yes, sir.
How do you
Yes, sir.
pronounce it?
Dukai, sir.
Oh, I got it. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're going forward today without benefit of an attorney, correct?
Yes, sir.
But you talked to Mr. Mena at the airport and you worked something out?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mena, what do we have?
Mr. Dukai is going to plead guilty to the breach of security, Your Honor. That's going to be taken pursuant to 771 for a period of 3 months, in which case would be dismissed.
Thank you. Sir, do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes, sir.
And understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right. On June 10, 2026, you were at Metro Airport, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at the ticket. It looks like you went into an unsecured area. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And I'm assuming, Mr. Mena, that's the breach of security?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
It was a bit of a misunderstanding for Mr. Dukai, but enough that it warranted a breach of security.
What? Understood. All right. Mr. Dukai, I can accept your plea. Are you working, sir?
Yes, I am, sir.
Who do you work for?
I work for Delta Airlines, sir.
Okay, and how long have you been employed by the airlines?
Since 2005.
Okay. Carol, does Miss Belcher need to speak to our arraignment?
I did, Judge.
You ready?
I'm ready, Amble.
All right, I'll get there in a minute. All right, Mr. Dukai, anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to delay sentence in keeping with the agreement with Mr. Mena. That means stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $350. Can you pay that within 5 days online?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, sir?
No, sir, and thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, so glad I get this over with.
Miss Belcher, who do you want to start with?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Watkins first on my list.
All right, start talking.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Mr. Watkins, Your Honor. I believe he's on the screen now. Mr. Watkins, will you please state your name for the record, sir?
Yes, Joshua Watkins.
For arraignment
you.
purposes, Your Honor, we waive formal reading and stand mute. We are requesting a probable cause conference date to be set.
Let's see what we got. August 4 with Judge Martin. That'll be on Zoom. Did you see the bond rec?
Yes, Judge. I believe in this case
I'm
it was.
assuming you're okay with a personal?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, tell me something about Mr. Watkins.
He's 34 years old, Your Honor. He is unemployed at this point in time. He did indicate that he turned himself in to custody, and he did have to serve a custodial sentence for approximately 20 days. When he was released from that 20-day sentence, Your Honor, that is when Romulus picked him up on the warrant.
All right. Mr. Watkins, when's the last time you worked? Where were you working?
It was about a month ago. I was working at a hotel in Allen Park at Marriott,
Okay.
but
All right.
unfortunately I lost my job, so I'm gonna be looking for another job now.
Yeah, so other than us, you got any other open files, court files?
No.
All right, so nobody's looking for you, no more warrants?
No.
All right, so you know where the Marriott is, in Ypsi, just off of 94?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's, Eagle Crest Golf Course there. It's right along the expressway. The hotel recently took over that golf course. I happen to know this because I know one of the guys that's a chef out there. They're like desperate for help. They need everybody. They need, sous chefs. They need wait staff. They need everything. So run your butt out to Ypsi and see if they got something for you.
Okay, they need someone that does maintenance or
So fines.
I believe they want everybody. So just get out there and see what you got. If that doesn't work out, on August 4th, when you're here, we got a guy in the building. His name is Avery Taylor. Just ask any of our security guys, say, look, I'm looking for a job. Who do I talk to? Mr. Taylor keeps a list of organizations in our area close to the court that are always looking for help. I heard him tell a woman last week, if he told her someplace to go around the corner from the court, he said they'll hire you by the end of the day if you go in there.
okay.
All right. So on this file, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. Your court date's 9:30 on August 4 by Zoom. You can come to court that day and we'll put you on a computer and then you can see Mr. Taylor. Understood?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond?
I do.
Any questions?
No.
Good luck.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you, Romulus. Be safe.
Thank you. We got one more.
Oh, you got Gary Nutt too?
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Nutt. Counsel your appearance.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Leanna Belcher on behalf of Mr. Nutt. For arraignment purposes, we waive formal reading and stand mute. We are requesting a probable cause date.
Thank you. That'll be Zoom August 4. Let's talk bond. Still okay with a personal on this one too?
Yes, Your Honor. We would ask the court to impose a personal bond. Mr. Nutt is 53 years old. He is unemployed. The court can see from the felony complaint that there was a delay in charging here. These charges were, I believe, authorized in July.
Yep.
However, the offense date is from last year.
Yeah, I see that. Okay. All right. Mr. Nutt, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are the easy ones. Stay out of trouble and show up for court. Third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules?
Yep.
Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw that up?
Yep.
All right. Your court date's 9/15 on Zoom, August 4th. Any questions for Ms. Belcher?
Nope.
All right. You got your hand down. All right. Besides this file, you've got 3 other files you owe us money on. They look like they're all Van Buren Township tickets. Registration or plate, civil infraction, no insurance, civil infraction, and equipment violation. All those are in default, $858 due. Are you in a position to get something started to clean those up?
No, I'm unemployed right now.
Can you come to court on August 4th for this next court date, even though it's Zoom?
Yep.
If you come to court, we can accommodate you, put you on a computer so you can handle that court date. And while you're here, you can make arrangements on the $858. We've got a couple different options here that don't necessarily require money from you.
Okay.
So come in on the 4th or before the 4th. You can always do it before then. And talk about your options. Any questions?
Nope.
All right, good luck. Thank you, Ms. Belcher.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Mercier, you got anybody ready?
I sure do, Your Honor. I have Miss Major Bassett ready.
All right. Mr. Bowditch, have you talked to Shiner?
No, Your Honor.
Miss Shiner's on the docket today and she's in custody somewhere. One of you guys need to talk to her.
I didn't see her in the waiting room, Your Honor. I apologize.
Well, she was in the main room and I just lost her. Carol, can you facilitate that?
There's nobody in
Already
our
working
waiting
on it.
room.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Mercier, I'm trying to find the file here. These hyphenated names always give me fits. All right, go ahead. I got it.
Yes, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercier representing Miss Major Bassett. Please state your name for the record. You're gonna have to unmute yourself first.
Aisha Majors Bassett.
Your Honor, thank you. I had the opportunity to discuss the allegation, the charges against my client, which is that of a checkpoint. After doing so and advising of her rights, we would like to avail ourselves to the plea of the delayed sentence underneath 77(1.1) for 3 months.
Thank you. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand all those wonderful rights?
I did, sir.
And do you understand the possible penalty for today's file?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge?
Yes, sir.
All right, it looks like you were at Metro Airport at a checkpoint June 18th, yes?
Correct, sir.
At that checkpoint, did you have something in your possession you should not have had there?
Yes, sir.
What was the something?
It was a taser.
All right, counsel satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So is the court. What should I know before I sentence?
Your Honor, my client was here for a conference. He was given the taser prior to coming to the airport by a friend for security purposes. She normally keeps it in her checked bag. However, situation changes and she had to go through the checkpoint. After going through with the bag, they stopped her initially and were going through her oversized personal bath items. And even before TSA identified the taser, she brought it to their attention.
Okay. All right. All right, ma'am. Anything you want to add to that? Don't feel that you have to.
No, sir. That pretty much sums it up.
Okay. Yeah, that's why we pay them. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. You stay out of trouble. No new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $350. Can you take care of that online within 5 days?
Yes, sir, I can.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome. Ms. Patil, what do you got?
I have Melina Hurdy, Your Honor. I'm about to go talk to her and the prosecutor.
All right, go ahead. Move yourself around.
All right, thank you.
You didn't have to drive out here just to say hello this morning. It wasn't a Honey, I Shrunk the Kids thing? What's new? Good, good.
I'd rather go in person.
Oh, always, yeah.
I was at Rich Page's at the time.
Okay.
Bit more fun. And you know, it's terror getting out there on I-94.
Oh, absolutely.
What will that be done?
It's a 3-year project. So I don't know exactly what the scope of it is.
Time entry to the airport all the time.
Oh, it's just horrendous. Just horrendous. Well, you know, the worst part about 94 is even if you don't want to go on 94, all the other east-west roads are screwed up. Susie and I went down for Crystal Medina's fundraiser last week, and for some reason, I don't know what the hell I was thinking, I got on Eureka instead of Pennsylvania Road. Oh, I know, because the train tracks were blocked up at Pennsylvania. So I got on Eureka and it was like stop and go halfway down there.
If you're lucky, God is equally square. If you think of it.
I don't think of that, but I will.
It's like seeing.
Always. Have a great day. Mr. Bowditch, you got something ready?
I have Miss Shiner ready, Your Honor, and I have Miss Harder ready, and I believe I have Miss DeLong ready.
All right, let's start with Miss Shiner. Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Shiner, who is in custody. Your Honor, it looks like today's date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. We've waived formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. Ms. Shiner is charged with retail fraud back in 2024. She is presently incarcerated in Washtenaw County, has been there for the last 4 months. We wish to have Ms. Shiner plead guilty and hopefully get time served in this matter. She's
Okay.
going to be released soon into a rehabilitation program.
Awesome.
Looking forward to.
Good, good.
So,
all right, Ms. Carter, you understand your rights?
Ms. Shiner.
Or I'm sorry, Ms. Shiner, you understand
Yes, I
your
do.
rights?
Yes, I do.
You understand the options those rights give you?
Yes,
And you understand the possible penalty for today's charge as well?
yes,
Understanding that you're pleading guilty, is that correct?
yes, I am. Yes.
Doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
August 13, 2024, were you in a store in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
And did you try to get out of that store with some merchandise without paying for the merchandise?
Yes.
I'm satisfied if you are, Mr. Bowditch.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. So what are you in Washtenaw for? What do they got you there for? What charge?
A few different charges, retail fraud.
Okay. And where's the rehab place you're going?
I'm not sure yet. I want to go to Dawn Farms.
Yeah, Dawn Farms is great. Yeah, I'll keep
So
my
I
fingers
have 3
crossed for
holds,
you.
and this is the 3rd hold. As soon as I take care of this hold, I could go to rehab.
Good. Good luck to you.
Thank
How long you
very
been
much.
clean and sober now?
I'm 5 months, 6 months.
Good for you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to give you 30 days in jail. Credit for time served. Close this file out.
Yes, thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, can we do Ms. DeLong's file?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. DeLong. Ms. DeLong, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Can you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
Nadine DeLong.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. It's waive formal reading and stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. In this matter, Ms. DeLong wishes to plead guilty to a checkpoint violation, carrying a 9mm pistol through the airport with the understanding, by mistake, the matter would be taken under 771 for a period of 3 months. And after that, it could be considered for dismissal and possibly getting her firearm returned to her.
Thank you. Ms. DeLong, do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, I do.
You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Did you go to the airport on June 9, 2026?
I did.
Did you find yourself at a checkpoint at Metro Airport with something in your possession you should not have had?
I surely did.
And was that something your 9mm?
Yeah, it was.
I'll accept your guilty plea. What should I know, Mr. Bowditch?
Well, Your Honor, she is registered. The weapon's registered. She's a CPL holder. Once again, you know, rushing to get to an airport.
Yep. All right. Mr. Long, don't feel that you have to, but if there's anything you want to add, this is the time.
No, just thank you. And I don't know if all courts are like this, but listening to you, like you're pretty nice to everybody. I was surprised.
Billion,
Like,
maybe even 1 in a billion, Mr. Long.
but I'm like, you're trying to get people jobs. I'm like, wow, wow. So, that's
Well, you know,
all.
it's not totally altruistic because I figure if I get those guys jobs, then they can pay the fines and cost better.
Right. I agree with you, but I did not expect that. And so
All right. So I'm going to put you on a delayed sentence for 3 months.
thank
So
you.
that means you got to stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. I'm going to give you 5 days to either get it paid or make arrangements online so we have a plan.
Thank you.
Any questions about that?
Nope.
I got one more for you. Where is Silverwood? I don't know that.
Well, do you know where Lapeer is?
Sure.
I'm about half hour north of Lapeer, middle of nowhere.
Okay. That's a good
Ma'am,
place. Usually a good place to be.
Mr. Long, at the end of this, you need to contact the airport police and they will make arrangements to return your weapon.
Okay. Hey, and on the Homeland Security thing, I got the $3,000 fine.
So yeah, you were lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the smallest one I've heard today.
Yeah, that I'm like, that's wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right. Anybody got anything ready for me?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a Jill Harder.
Is that Carter, C-A-R, or Harder
No,
with an
it's
H?
with an H, Your Honor. H-A-R-D.
Oh, I got her. Like it's not soft, it's hard. Got it.
Correct.
All right. Go ahead while I pull the file.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Harder. Miss Harder, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please, ma'am?
Jill Harder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. Waive formal reading and stand mute. We also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We do have an agreement. Miss Harder is going to plead guilty to the charge of breach of security at the airport. There was some medication she had with her that she was not prescribed for. She is a resident of Arizona. She's just going to plead guilty, Your Honor.
All right. I got her in Denver.
Yeah, I'm in Denver.
Oh,
Okay.
my apologies.
Okay.
Denver.
All right. Is this a 3-month delayed or 6-month?
This is a straight up plead guilty,
Okay. Not a delayed.
not a delayed. No.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Harder, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with counsel?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the breach of security charge freely and
Yes.
voluntarily today?
Yes.
All right. You were at Detroit Metro on June 17, 2026, correct?
Yes.
All right. And what was the breach that she had
She had some pills on her, Your Honor,
without a proper prescription, or what was the breach?
without proper prescription.
All right. I'm satisfied. What should I know before I sentence?
Well, Your Honor, it was an error.
All right. Ms. Harder, are you working out there in Denver?
Yeah.
Who do you work for and how long have you been employed there?
I work for Breadwinners Cafe. I've been there for 7 years.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No.
All right. I'm just going to do fines and costs on this one, $500. I'm going to give you 5 days to make arrangements on our website. Can you do that?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you,
All
Mr.
right.
Judge.
Anybody? Yeah.
One of our previous gentlemen, his misdemeanor was dismissed. He's got 2 civil infractions that he is owing and paying. He logged back in because he has a couple of questions, but it sounds like they're probably questions I can answer as far as a refund or if we ever received his payments and receipts, etc.
All right. Yeah, great. Take him in a breakout. If you can work it out, cool.
Okay.
If not, bring him back to me.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else got work?
No, Your Honor, there's no one in the waiting room, I believe, as we speak.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Mercier or Mr. Bowditch, either one. Mr. Davis.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Do you have Buckley with you?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. Start talking while I pull a file.
Okay, well, I'm not ready. Is the prosecutor available?
Oh, who's the prosecutor? Van Buren or the airport?
Let me look.
It's me, Judge. I'll talk to him.
Thanks.
Second floor security.
Hey, Gwen, do me a favor. Tell one of our MIDCs to get on Zoom and talk to me. Thanks. Mr. Bowditch.
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Rodriguez says her attorney is Miss Gaden Robinson, but it's scheduled at 10 and we have not seen the attorney. So
Well, I can do it, Your Honor.
Could you pull her into a breakout and see if maybe you can help her?
Oh, absolutely, Your Honor. I'll handle it
It's a retail fraud from the airport.
with, I'll sit in for my esteemed colleague.
Thank you. Hey, Carol,
Yes.
Miss Hurdy has spoken to her interpreter.
Yes.
Does she need to speak to an attorney?
She has spoken to Miss Patillo.
Yes,
Oh,
Judge.
are you ready, counsel?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Miss Senador, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. What's our language?
Portuguese.
All right. Would you raise your right hand?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you swear or affirm that you will translate between Portuguese and English and Portuguese so we can all discuss this matter for Miss Hurdy today?
Yes, I do.
All right. Would you let Miss Hurdy know what we just discussed?
Milena, eu acabei de fazer o juramento de que eu vou fazer a tradução fidedigna, ok? Milena?
Okay.
All right, counsel, what do we got?
Deanne Patillo, P82378 on behalf of Miss Melina Hurdy. Miss, did you want to translate that?
Ela está se apresentando com o nome dela, que ela está representando você.
Tá bom.
The judge, Ms. Hurdy is charged with driving while license expired. The prosecutor has agreed to dismiss that. Ms. Hurdy would plead responsible to double parking with a cost of $300.
Milena, I'm going to translate. Milena, ela está dizendo que a acusação inicial era de dirigir sem carteira de motorista, que o procurador concordou em desconsiderar esse caso e colocar presente agora uma violação de estacionamento em fila dupla e uma multa de $300.
Ok, sim.
Ok.
Ms. Patil, I did not catch the fines and costs agreed upon amount.
$300, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Hurdy, is that the way you want to resolve this matter today?
Milena, é dessa forma que você quer resolver esse caso hoje? Você está de acordo?
Yes, sim.
Yes.
We'll assess fines and costs of $500, or excuse me, of $300 and dismiss the misdemeanor charge.
Ele vai apresentar então agora a multa de $300 e desconsiderar a violação.
Ok, sim.
Can you pay the $300 online today?
Você pode pagar a multa de $300 online hoje?
Sim.
Yes.
Ms. Hurdy, do you have any questions for myself or the attorney?
Você tem alguma pergunta para o juiz ou para a advogada?
Não.
Não.
Counsel, anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you so much.
All right, have a nice day.
All right,
Thank
you
you, Ms.
too.
Senador.
You're welcome, thank you.
Mr. Davis, are you ready?
Judge, is my client present? If so, can I go into a breakout room with them?
No, that's why I said, did you have
I
Buck-
do not
Buckley
have him
with you?
signed in yet.
He's not on. Okay, let me try to reach
Yeah.
him.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Thank you. Good morning. Hey, I'm trying to do this from my phone because I'm out in the bed on the courtroom. For some reason, I don't have Matt's new email address. Is it coming up in my phone? So I just sent that letter to you to forward to him. Thanks. Hey, Carol, when was the last pretrial schedule for today? Do you know?
10:10. And that would be Mr. Rodriguez and Mr. Buckley.
Thanks.
Looks like Mr. Bowditch is speaking to Mr. Rodriguez now, and Buckley has not signed in, but that is Mr. Davis's client.
Davis's, yeah, thanks.
Do you need me to stick around then, Judge, if those are both airport cases?
No, thank you, Angela. Have a
Okay,
great
thank you,
day.
Judge. You too. See you later.
Hi, Angela.
Mr. Bowditch, are you ready on Rodriguez?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Go
Your Honor, for the
ahead.
record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Rodriguez in place of the attorney of record, Ms. Gaden Robinson. Ms. Rodriguez, do you have any objections to me sitting in for your attorney of record for these proceedings alone?
No, sir. I talked to you more than I've talked to her, and this has been since April.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Your Honor, thank you, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor, we do have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In this agreement, Ms. Rodriguez would be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud with the understanding the matter would be taken under 771 for a period of 3 months. There is $179 due in restitution.
$179 even?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Rodriguez, do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand the possible penalty for today's charge?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
All right, on 4/10/2026, were you at a retail organization at the airport.
Yes.
And did you try to take some merchandise from the store without paying for
Yeah.
it? Mr. Bowditch, are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea. Your agreement was 3-month delayed sentence?
Correct.
All right. And restitution was 179, correct?
Correct.
What else should I consider?
Well, Your Honor, it's kind of an unusual case, but she now is a full-time resident of where, ma'am?
Missouri.
Missouri.
Kansas City, Missouri.
This was something, Your Honor, where some material was used in the store, not exactly spirited out of the store, but it was still unavailable for sale after it was used.
Okay. Ms. Rodriguez, did you update your address with one of my clerks earlier today?
I did the last court date
Okay,
because I thought it was Zoom, but it was in person, so we had to redo it.
gotcha. All right. And are you working out there in Missouri?
No, I was working for Spirit Airlines, and everybody knows what happened with Spirit, so I'm fighting for my unemployment right now.
All right, Mr. Mena, any sentencing position from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Rodriguez, anything you want to add before I sentence?
No, I didn't know opening the box to smell it would be such a big deal, and I don't get in trouble, so I feel like really bad.
Right, never been arrested for a misdemeanor or felony before?
Just like traffic tickets.
Okay. All right, I'll delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble. I'm ordering restitution of $179 to the store and court costs of $200. I'll give you,
Okay.
if I give you 5 days, can you get on our website and put some kind of plan in place on that money within 5 days?
Yeah, I can put something down and make a payment plan.
Awesome. All right, any questions?
No, just how much is that total?
$379.
Okay.
All right, anything else?
No, that's it.
All right,
All right, thank you
You're
very
good.
much.
You're good to go.
You will not see me in your court no more.
All right, have a nice
Or
day.
any court.
Hey, Jim, I had a question for you.
Yes, Judge.
I think it was an airport file, but probably an hour and a half ago when things were going really fast. I know I made a note that there was a restitution amount of like $276 or something like that. But I don't think I put it on the ROA, and I don't remember the defendant's name.
I'm looking, Judge, right now. I only had a David Hayes that had a restitution, and Jay Patel was a $36 to duty free.
No,
Those are the only ones I had, Judge, for today.
okay, must have been Van Buren. I'll reach out to Angela. Thanks.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I believe that completes our morning docket.
Yeah, I think the last one we've got checked in has got retained counsel.
I think Mr. Mercer did a fine
We
job.
should be good to go.
Pleasure to meet you by Zoom, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Carol, did we lose Attorney Davis? No, there he is.
He's still here, but his client has not signed in.
All right. All right, well, I'm going to my office to get some stuff done. Mr. Davis, you there?
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
You get a hold of your guy?
No, not yet. I'm trying to see call them.
I can give you an adjourned date.
You can? Okay.
I mean, I'm assuming you've had contact with him. You're a little bit confused as to why you can't get him today.
Okay, yeah, I'll take an adjourned date for now.
And what's your next airport docket? Doesn't have to be mine.
My next
I have-
one, oh, go ahead,
What do you,
Carol.
what do you got,
The
Carol?
I have the August 24th, 10 a.m.
August 24th. That's fine.
Who's that with?
Should be
That's
you.
you, Judge.
It's me?
Yes.
Is that a
Yep.
Zoom docket though, Carol?
It is. Yes, it is.
Okay. All right,
Okay.
council, August 24th, 10 a.m.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Yeah, have a great day.
It's the last I have, Judge, then. If I have permission, I'll sign off.
Yeah, absolutely. Have a great afternoon.
All right, we'll see you.
Carol, I think my afternoon stuff is on Zoom too, so I'm just gonna leave it up.
Thank you.
Thanks for the help.